If you're in these streets, nigga, you gonna know what I'm talking about. Like, nigga, you ready? You ready? Hey, some of these niggas real, but most of these niggas fake. Some niggas will lie for you, but most of these niggas fake. Some niggas will die for you, but likely these niggas ain't. Sorry to tell you, homie, but these are the breaks. I took breaks from clientele, from talking reckless on my phone. Break from seeing my mama in the streets, I was wrong. Break from saying my prayers, I ain't done it in so long. I took break from relationships because the love was all wrong. Broke ties with the fakers, we'll keep it real. Say what's up to my homies doing life in the pen. 10 niggas behind boys, you think you know how I feel? Tipping Bam got a voice, nigga, long as I'm here. So I'ma keep on grinding, focus wherever I go. And learn lesson for a nigga who goes down there road. I said I got you, then I got you, that you already know. But since I got you, then I got you, y'all don't worry no more. Wow.
Hey, look here. Hey, fuck all you pussy niggas. Fuck all you haters that chop her up in my trunk, make you shit on yourself like a third grader. Niggas don't know that bullshit where I come from. With chopper bullets come out the drum. To your head just like a plum. Well, hold up. I'm catching the hood and I'ma catch the streets. That shit they're going too slow, so I can't catch the beat. With a bunch of niggas riding with me, we pack like Mexicans. Hanging up out that bitch, la 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 la, at your legs. Everybody crying, everybody dying, now they worried. Ton of 12, ton of 6, ton of 3, they gon' tell a story. Nigga, I ain't naming at your chest, I want the headshot. I push my car like Flintstone coming off a bed rob. Niggas, they know my name. B-Town, that's what I bang. Got my shit on me 10 times, got a tatted in my band. I do this for time, made that nigga, I get that bread. And I send the money order to all my niggas up in the pad. Nigga, I go so hard, some of these niggas wish I was dead. Nigga, get my rap, put it in their pocket, that shit that they read. Stealing my lyrics, nigga, I don't come with no lyrics. Stretch both of your ears on that gangsta shit, you gotta hear it. Put me in your iPhone, now that's a lie home. Come on that 1100 block, you gon' die home. I put my 357 AR-15 like Dr. Martin Luther King. I had a fucking dream.
And I told you I got soldiers, head busters in the Bible. Get a nigga ass up, not somebody calls the bottom. Swerving hard through the swamp. Tell the Billy boys I got us might be underestimated, but really, they don't want no problem. I got an AK-47 clip, heard it like a ton. That bitch ain't got nobody shit. I'm dying to get the first one. I've been getting it out the mud since they let me off them papers. I'm in my natural habitat. Shit, I deal with alligators. I'm the fucking soldier line up and down easy. Niggas with an attitude that'll stop your ass from breathing once you got it going up. Y'all really ain't my beef. If it's on this shit for life, cause I can't see nobody leave.
I put my right hand up over their mouth, and then I told them they don't want to get their liver away, but I'm gonna make them an organ donor. I'm gonna take their heart out. I'm gonna stick their body like an operation. I'm gonna send their ass away for a long time, like a vacation. My nigga, he'll pack them up. I got some niggas in Dallas, I call them one time, them niggas come and back me up. I can have their head in Atlanta, on their body in Mexico, that beef shit you can't handle like the mob, bitch. Pull out a stack it on my mama, you gon' get robbed, bitch. I bet that 357 to your head like calling on the car quick. Some niggas, they be speaking them lyrics, all that bullshit they talking about, don't wanna hear it. Put some cotton in my ears when they talk. Nigga, I left my footprints in the sand like Jesus walked. Yeah, and I can put this shit up in my pants. Yeah, but I'm gonna stop this shit. Man, it's too bad. What's up?
Yeah, nigga. Got killers at the bottom. And I fuck with Big Poppa, big dog about the lava. Nigga, free man to go because I spit it for it so real. I'm hijacking a nigga and I rep a Stoner Hill. East side in the building. We finna make a killing. I stepped up on the block, so shit, Martin, look out the window. I'm out there head first. Nigga, 5-1, 5-0. Need a club, game banging, on red, Tahoe. What you wanna do, nigga? Nigga, I'm about that fucking drama. Head buster like, hey,